Hello and welcome. This is Christina Werner. I'm glad you're here for another video on my YouTube channel and blog. Today we're going to do some more Distress Ink Oxide color combinations.
Good job. Good
Thank
job
you.
with the intro.
Yeah, I'm not really Christina Werner, but
Yeah, obviously.
I'm Jennifer McGuire pretending to be Christina today.
True. You are pretending to be me, but she is the original, like, ink blending master.
No,
You're the
not at all.
guru.
No. There's so many much better than me. But
But when I blend, I try to channel my inner Jennifer McGuire. I remember years ago. Okay, before we get into my story, just have to give you guys a little bit of actual knowledge
Information.
about this video. Actual information. This is springtime blending combos. So I just, I'm going to be, full honest and, upfront with you guys. I Googled spring color combos and got some inspiration. And then I was like, oh, so, some pastels, some brighter ones, just to get my mind kind of brainstorming and moving and going in that direction. And then this is what I came up with. So here we are.
I like how you threw some chipped sapphire in there, because normally when you think spring, you think softer colors, but this really makes it pop.
Yeah, just needed a little bit of a darker intention.
I like it, but what were you going to say?
I'm
concerned about what you're
Oh,
going to
it's all good. It is all good. Okay, so when I started blending, and I think this is where a lot of crafters start, they're almost a little bit hesitant to really lay that color down and get lots of ink on the paper. And I would look at Jennifer's blends and I would be like, oh my gosh, she uses so much ink. But then at the same time, everything would blend beautifully.
I do believe the more ink you put down, the better blending.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah.
Especially with oxides, because it's almost like a paint and it sits on the surface of the paper.
Yep.
And when it's sitting on the surface of the paper, you could get two colors to mix almost like they're on a palette and you're going to paint with them.
And there's less effort needed because it's
yeah.
on the top. When you add another color on, you can blend it or soften it or make it darker very easily. All right, so now we have Salvage Patina, Squeeze Lemonade, and Worn Lipstick. So this was going to give you, since you kind of have a pink, yellow, and bluish green, you'll end up with somewhat of a rainbow because where the colors overlap, you'll get that orange and green.
This is totally Jennifer's vibe.
Oh, this will be fun.
Oh, yeah. And I love this limey green that Salvage Patina and Squeeze Lemonade gives you.
I don't think I've ever used those together.
Oh, yeah.
I like it.
They're good.
So my biggest tip with ink blending is overlap the colors.
Oh, yeah.
The best way to blend from one color to another is overlap. And what I like that you do here is you show you can take a lot of different colors, and as long as you do that bit of overlap and you use this blending technique, especially with the covering your fingers so you don't get fingerprints, you can get great results.
Okay, I saw you have a really great Facebook page, Facebook group for Share Handmade Kindness.
Yep.
I was just scrolling through Facebook and I'm so sorry, I don't recall the person's name who had screenshot one of your really, really old videos, which showed you using a Misty corner.
Creative corner, yeah.
Creative corner. And you used that to hold down the paper so your fingers didn't get inky. And it was also a big enough surface that it didn't move the paper. I thought it was brilliant.
Yeah, because I try to put the tape on my fingers, and for some reason I fumble with that. You're pretty slick with it. So I'm not slick enough for that. So I have to use something to hold it
You're
still.
also not afraid to get ink on your fingers.
Oh, no. Yeah, Christina.
It's almost like I have a phobia.
Christina's dainty with ink, and I'm all in. Because if you have ink on your fingers, it makes your hands look messy. And that way you can be like, family, I can't cook dinner. Look how hard I've been working all day. Look at my hands. I've been slaving away all day. I can't do anything else but sit on the sofa and watch YouTube videos.
Is this when your family says, look, here's a sink and here's some soap?
No, because that doesn't really work right away. It takes some time for it to wear off.
That's true.
So now, okay. I wouldn't tackle this color combination.
Oh, why not?
I don't know. Especially, I don't know that.
Look how great they blend.
I know. But see, I could tend to go for the way too practical that I know will blend, like the pink to purple to blue kind of thing.
Well, technically this is blue to purple to, it's,
I guess so.
red to blue, but
look how pretty
they're
that
just
is.
different shades.
See, we learned from each other.
That makes me think of a foggy morning.
That makes me want to have an Easter egg, a hard-boiled egg.
Really? Are you going to make an egg salad sandwich or maybe a deviled egg?
No, don't you put any of your stuff in my eggs. What's in deviled eggs?
I have no idea. All I know is they're delicious.
Yeah, no. I just want my egg white, hard-boiled egg white.
Only egg white.
Yeah, you can have the stuff that's inside.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, I'm weird.
But do you do like an egg salad sandwich?
No.
You're an egg purist.
How do you not know this about me?
Well, I don't know. You always used to get egg white omelets. I didn't know like the egg
Yeah.
white thing like
Yep.
extended to all
extends
egg.
through- Okay, we're
Wow.
boring people. Antique linen, old paper, and speckled egg. I think old paper and antique linen are two most overlooked colors.
Oh yeah.
They're great.
Yeah, old paper has this like greenish tinge to it.
And the antique linen has that warm yellow tinge
Yeah,
to it.
it's actually I think old paper. I mean, I don't use it like hardly ever. I think this is the second time I've used it, and the first time I used it was on an ink blending video probably 2 years ago. But it is a really, really pretty color.
Yep.
It's just like a faded old paper. Gosh,
Now-
Tim's good at naming things.
I know he is. It's annoying. I don't know why he does that. But antique linen, I would say, when I used to teach crafting classes and traveling around, antique linen was one I always had to use.
Really?
Because it works with any card. It's
Oh,
one
it's
of those
like a
colors
neutral.
that works with everything. Okay, I have a favorite.
Which one is it?
Let's see if you can guess.
I think it's going to be the rainbow one.
Actually, the left one's my favorite.
With
Then
the
the rainbow.
purple?
Yes, it's actually in order.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Didn't
hold on.
she do so good?
We got music playing. Hold on, guys.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. We'll just edit that part out.
Okay.
Or maybe we won't edit out. We'll just like, this is real. This is us.
We're a hot mess and never stop talking.
Pretty much.
That's how it goes.
Pretty much.
Oh, Christina has more videos you should watch. So check these out. Also subscribe so you can see a lot more of her videos. She has lots of great color combinations.
Oh yeah, I have like 5 million of these videos.
Yes, you do.
If you're ever curious, check out #Christina's Oxide Combos over at Instagram. You can see them, and you can see other people's work too.